Alright, so we're almost there and oh, we're here. Oh, how'd that happen? We teleported. Alright, let's go inside and give this guy a surprise. Open your mouth.
Oh God.
Open your mouth.
Te lo penizera.
Hello, chat. How you doing? Hello.
I got whipped cream all in my hand now.
Alright, well I transferred my videos because somebody's being a bad host. I'm looking at you. That's right.
I am a choo-choo train.
I'm gonna go raid his fridge. How am I supposed to have tacos without the taco shells? What? Yo, you got taco shells?
I don't think so. That's the thing. That's why I said taco salad.
You gotta put that taco salad there. You got your meat, you got your lettuce, you got your tomato. You can't forget your sour cream. It's a big must. Forgetting sour cream is like a cardinal sin when it comes to tacos, okay? You cannot do it. If you do it, you're dead to me. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous.
Oh, I am jealous.
Don't be
I'm gonna
jealous.
grab some food as soon as I get out of this game.
Don't be jealous.
I'm absolutely jealous.
I made this all by myself.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Just by yourself?
By myself. Mm-hmm.
So the guy downstairs didn't help you?
There was no guy downstairs.
Hey, there's a Snoopy.
There's a bird.
He's a guy.
He just yelled at me.
No.
See, this is what I call a bad setup. You're
This is what you call a makeshift setup that actually gets the job done.
Dude, he's got his dome monitor set up. He's got his light fixtures up here with the attached to the wood and stuff. He's got the little brackets attached there with what are these?
Clamps?
Clamp brackets. Okay. And he's got his case. What did I say? Is it Corsair Case 76?
Something like that, yeah.
Something like that keyboard. He's got a nice Corsair. I don't know what mouse that is. He's got the same microphone I do because he's rip off, like stealing stuff from me.
Can you do me a favor?
He's got vape. He's got
Can you do me a favor?
his own custom brand hat. Yeah, he loves hats because he's. I was gonna say something really. I was gonna say some TOS.
You want to see the hair?
Hair reveal. Hair reveal.
You really gonna do this right now? It's a mess.
Hair reveal. Oh, punch him! I'd rather put an egg on my head than wear headphones. And on that note.
Yeah, I'll do that one, yeah. Is that gonna be your thing in all your vlogs?
As long as I run out before the next episode.
You're gonna run out before sundown.
Sundown happened already. You're gonna run out before sundown. Oh, it's pitch black outside.
I said Sunday. Sunday. Day. Day of the sun. Sunday.
I should just hold it. It's fine. It's recording already. I'm gonna fix my pants. 1 second. Am I fashionable? I'm taking my cookies though.
Okay, that's fine.
And my Ready Whip.
I'm depressed.
And your headphones.
Okay, now I'm more depressed.
And your keyboard.
Well, let's not.
I can't take your keyboard. So I'll take your phone instead. And I'll take Charles with me too. And I'll take the camera. So Charles, what's it like being a stuffed animal on Sean's desk 24/7?
Interviewing Charles.
What? What's that say? You said it sucks? I know it does. I can tell. He said he actually hates you but just deals with you because you're suck at games, likes watching you being bad at games. Charles, you want a cookie? How about some taco salad? You want some whipped cream? Alright, let me get some whipped cream. Oof. Alright, I'll keep that to myself.
This was a bag of cookies.
He said I could have.
I just want you to know.
He said I could have
I didn't eat a single one.
He said I could have some. This just in, on gamer news, streamer breaks his headset on stream because he's so angry at his best friend for saying stupid stuff. Any words, streamer? Sean, my pants are on backwards. My pockets are on my ass.
I'm gonna regret every second of this.
Quick question. Are you trying to die?
Sugar Rush!
That's the quickest way to die. Perfect. This is how you make coffee. Ready? A 1 scoop, a 2 scoop, a 3 scoop. Where's the coffee?
That way.
That way. Towards the bird.
Yeah. The bird has the coffee.
Look, my pants are on backwards. Where's the coffee?
You're actually taking me seriously? It's
You
right.
asshole.
It's right here.
I hate you. Yeah. Like sex in a cup. Yes, please. I want some more sex in my sex, please. Oh, yes. Oh.
Do you hate me yet?
The judge is still on penny that didn't pay me. Oh, sorry. The judge is This is what happens when you put 2 drug addicts in the same room.